330 feet to start. Up into the aspens. That's gonna be way more fun coming down than going up. I don't need to tell you how it's going. I'll just breathe heavy at you for a minute. I haven't had to stop yet though. One or two really steep sections so far. Didn't get things camera turned on though. Super pretty. More! Roar! No rest. We're making it to the aspens, that's a good sign. Wow. More uphill. Holy hell. Oh, holy hell. Oh. I am standing on the crest. Oh. My bunny hopping skills aren't what they used to be. Go in front and I'll get some video of you. I'm starting to really love the sound of a coasting derailleur. We've turned around at this point. The other direction looked like it was just going downhill, downhill, downhill on like this double track, which didn't seem like it would be that much fun to come back up. Not particularly exciting. Turns out to be the case. It's not that much fun to come back up. But we passed the connector for like the GC cutoff or something like that, just up here, which looked like another nice little single track. So thought we'd just double back and ride it for a while. So I don't think you can choose a bad trail around here. Look at this. All right, I think this is the cutoff for this other little trail here. Gunsight, GC, Gunsight connector. It's an hour later and we're still going uphill. Wow. Just beautiful. Holy hell. All right, that's worth a picture. Just keeps going and going and going. my hopes that maybe, just maybe, there's an obvious crest up here where we could like go, okay, that was a cool day of riding. I don't know that it works that way in Colorado though. Bike doesn't reliably shift into first, which is kind of a problem. Because if there's one gear you need it when you need it. It's kind of first. All right, what are the odds that this is the crest, the pass up here? No! Bastard! Shit. All right, this might be it. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. Oh, Gio's not far behind. One turn down. When we stopped last, we were at 900 feet of vertical gain, and I bet we've done another 200-300 since then. Nicely done. I was so glad when I looked over there and it went down instead of up. A little bit of speed's nice, made it halfway back up. Good to go? Oh. I definitely do not trust corners on gravel too fast. Make sure Gio's back there. Let's get out of the way. So pretty. We have earned this downhill, every bloody foot of it. Rocks, big rock. Woo. Look at these trees. How's this even real? This is mad. I believe that's us. Almost rode past it. Whoa. We got 25 minutes to get my bike back to the rental place. Didn't realize it. Oh crap. We got some uphill to do still too, I think. Rocks. More rocks. And tree. Hopefully that's it. I don't think it's that long a stretch. Maybe. All right, we made it back up to the chair. It is now all downhill from here. That's a little tight. Drop. Whee! Jesus, I can't see anything. That would have been fun too. Literally couldn't see a thing. All right. Oh, we made it. There's Geo.